अनफॉर्च्युनेटली पीपल टू सफर खूप कडेन 3 दीस 4 दीस 6 दीस आनी एकूच कडेन 2 कडेन म्हाका दिसता 7वें दीस लायट रिस्टोर जाली. सो बट इट इज फिजिकल डॅमेज जाल्लो आसा. ताका असर्टेन करपाक डिफिकल्ट कितलो डॅमेज जातलो, कोण जातलो, कितें जातलें. अशेंच 2019 जेन्ना हांवें पावर मिनिस्टर घेतलें तेन्ना मोलें अशेंच वादळ येयल्लें आनी तें आमी एक दिसा भितर रिस्टोर केल्लें. कित्याक रिस्टोर केल्लें? कित्याक आमी आमची सगळे बाकीचे स्टाफ आशिल्ले ते थंय व्हरोन आमी रिस्टोर करून घेतले. पूण हांगा कितें जालें, हांगा आख्खे गोंयभर प्रॉब्लम जालें. सो खंयचो स्टाफ हांगा आनी थंय शिफ्ट करूंक आमकां मेळोना. सो इट टूक टायम आनी हांव ऑनरेबल CMA कडेन खूब फावटी जेन्ना हांव पावर मिनिस्ट्री घेतली हांवें CMAक रिक्वेस्ट करून की आमी अंडरग्रावंड केबलींग ऑफ 33 kV आनी 11 kV हे करपाक जाय म्हूण सांगलां. आनी वीथ दीस सायक्लोन इट शोज दॅट 33 आनी 11 kV अंडरग्रावंड खंय केल्लें इफेक्ट हॅज नॉट डन सो मच. आनी इट कॉस्ट the government has money or does not have money, it is a big story. But I think there is central government there are no schemes for underground cabling. I have been pursuing for last 2 years की scheme आसा underground cabling ची scheme ना आमकां scheme आसा for upgradation of आमचे substation which we have taken around 8 substations in Goa which 3 have started and 5 we are tendering where 60-40 म्हणजे 60 from the center 40 from the state. I have taken whatever scheme आमकां जे पावर डिपार्टमेंट आमकां मेळटा आमकां आमी घेतल्या प्लस वी वील टेक विच इज अवेलेबल. अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंगा स्कीम ना पूण सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे PFC REC दे गिव अस अ लोन विच इज पेएबल ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ नेक्स्ट 10 years. पूण आमी जर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जर रिपेर केलो आनी न्यू केलो जाल्यार वी कॅन टेक दॅट लोन फॉर ओन्ली फॉर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. So I have spoken to Honorable CM 1 year back about this particular loan available at around, we negotiated the rate also at 9.5% and they are ready to give us almost 1,000 crores, more than 1,000 crores because our systems are in place. So but unfortunately I have not exercised it because I said ki to loan getlo let go to common kitty. Common kitty getle jaल्यार it will not suffice the purpose. So I have been struggling to open a separate account for last 1.5 years so that it can be used for the purpose what we take. And that money can be paid from the electrical duty charges what we charge the consumers.
You are talking about underground cabling
underground cabling of only 33 and 11 kVA, not all over Goa.
Which are these areas?
2,500 to 3,000 crores you require for all over Goa. So we can prioritize
cities.
I am not saying cities. We can prioritize lines which have become very old, which are going through maybe sea, salt water or going to dense forest. This can be prioritized. And this prioritization has to be done and that's what we have done. So in this I am not saying 100% relief but there will be a lot of relief आमी करू शकता. So somehow माझे push करपाक I have not done. I have come today, CM is there, I want to talk to him on this language. I have not met him after the disaster. I am going to meet him today and pursue this matter and request him that we have to do it in the interest of the state because ultimately electricity, roads and water is any state government has to provide to its infrastructure for its people. If we cannot provide such infrastructure to the people, I don't know what else I have to comment on. And I am capable of getting it done even in this next 7-8 months or 9 months of this tenure. We can all work together and I can assure that before the next elections, if the Honorable CM permits me, we can do all these prioritized areas, underground cabling with full force and such मागीर फुडें जे सायक्लोन येयले आनी कितें जालें म्हणजे हांव म्हणना की 100% पूण आमकां खूब रिलीफ जातलो.